Good morning, students. Today we will discuss non-metals. The materials which are non-malleable, non-ductile, may be solid, liquid or gases, known as non-metals. As we have discussed earlier, metals having tendency to lose electrons, इलेक्ट्रॉन देने की उनकी टेंडेंसी होती है. ऑन अदर हैंड, नॉन मेटल्स आर दोज एलिमेंट्स which having tendency to accept electrons, to receive electrons from other ones. When an atom lose electron, अगर कोई एटम इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करता है तो it form the cations. It form the cations, positive ions. Metals generally form cations. Metals generally form cations. Non-metals, they receive the electron, they having tendency to receive electrons. That's why they produce anions, negative ions, anions. So those elements which accept the electrons to form negative charged ions known as anions are called as non-metals. Non-metals example: oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon. These are the most common non-metals. Non-metals generally occur on the earth crust, on the earth. These non-metals may occur in free state like nitrogen, oxygen, and in some extent they may react with other materials, metals or non-metals. When they react with other materials, they produce compound form. So non-metals may occur in free state or as well as combined state with other elements. Now look, hydrogen. Hydrogen is the most abundant, most common non-metal in the universe. Sun and different kind of the stars, all made up of mainly hydrogen. So hydrogen on the sun, other planets, it occur in free state. But on the earth, hydrogen occur in the combined state. Hydrogen combine with the oxygen to form water. Two atoms of hydrogen, one atom of oxygen combine to form water. It also occur in the form of methane. Methane CH4. You should learn about it. Learn the formula. One atom of carbon and 4 atom of methane. Hydrogen, sorry. So it is methane. The hydrogen is also present in coal, petroleum products. All the coal and petroleum products made up of hydrogen. Carbon plus hydrogen. Our LPG gas is also made up of carbon and hydrogen. Now look, oxygen. Oxygen is the most abundant element on the earth crust. हमारी अर्थ पर सबसे ज्यादा अमाउंट में मिलने वाली ऑक्सीजन एलिमेंट, ऑक्सीजन. एंड दिस ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट इन फ्री स्टेट एज वेल एज इन दी combined state. Free state in the air, that's why we take in oxygen for respiration. And this oxygen also present in combined form, joining form, and it produced in the form of water. Water, you know well, hydrogen plus oxygen. It also occur in the form of oxides and carbonates of metals. It also occur in the form of oxides and carbonate. carbon dioxide, metallic oxides we have learnt, metallic carbonates, calcium carbonate, shell of the animals, bones, these are made up of carbonate. Now look, carbon. Carbon is very important element present on the earth. It occurs in free state. Free state, yes. Carbon different form occur in free state, yes. Coal, diamond and graphite. Coal, diamond and graphite in these form carbon occur in free state. In combined form, carbon occur in our nature is in very important. It plays very important role. Like nutrients, are all the nutrients? Yes, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins. These all are made up of carbon. Along with these, carbon is also joined with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. And you know when we release carbon dioxide, plants take in carbon dioxide to perform photosynthesis. Petroleum, natural gas, these are also having carbon. Yes, carbon as a main component. Now look, nitrogen. Nitrogen is also very important element, most abundant element present in the air, earth atmosphere. Right? Now the nitrogen is also present in combined form, nitrates, and it is also present in our body also. It is the main constituent of protein and some of the vitamins. Right? Now look, physical properties of non-metals. Physical properties of non-metals. Non-metals generally they may be hard, solid in state. Diamond. Diamond is the hardest substance. Some of non-metals occur in solid state. Diamond is the hardest substance. Got it? Now, liquid state. Liquid, only one non-metal that occur in liquid state, that is the bromine. Bromine occur in liquid state. Bromine occur in liquid state. Yes. Now, gases. Gases अब तो याद हो जाने चाहिए. हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, chlorine, fluorine, these are some of the gases. Along with these, some are in non-reactive gases. Non-reactive elements, non-reactive gases, or these gases are also known as noble gases. Earlier they are known as inert, but right now these are known as noble gases. Noble gases: helium, neon, argon, xenon, radon and krypton. Helium, neon, argon, xenon and radon and krypton. These are some of the gases which are inert gases. Right? Now look over here. Some other properties of non-metals. Non-metals generally these are non-malleable. When they beaten, they broken down. So non-metals are brittle in nature. Non-metals are brittle in nature, बिखर जाएंगे. If we hammer them, they will scatter, टूट जाएंगे, बिखर जाएंगे. Next one, ductile. Non-metals are generally non-ductile. They can't be drawn into thin wire. Now next one, luster. नॉन मेटल्स जनरली दे डू नॉट हैविंग लस्ट्री, चमक नहीं होती. बट आयोडीन क्रिस्टल्स आर शाइनिंग इन अपीयरेंस. आयोडीन क्रिस्टल्स आर शाइनिंग इन अपीयरेंस. नेक्स्ट वन, डेंसिटी. नॉन मेटल्स जनरली हैविंग लेस डेंसिटी, less melting point and boiling point than the metals. They having lower melting point and boiling points. But density of diamond is higher than the density of aluminium. One another point over here I want to discuss over here, that is the conductivity. Generally non metals are poor conductor of heat. That's why these are used as an insulator. These are poor conductor of heat and heat. Next one, electricity. Conductivity of the electricity. Non-metals generally do not conduct electricity. Non-metals generally do not conduct electricity. But graphite is an exception. It is good conductor of electricity. Graphite is good conductor of electricity. Pencil lead, we have performed an experiment in class 6.